Big changes are coming to one of St. Lucia's most popular coastlines. Effective Monday, the 4th of August 2025, the south end of Reduit Beach saw restricted access as crews broke ground on the brand new Mount Pimard Beach Park. The announcement comes from the Department of Crown Lands and the Ministry of Tourism, who say the 6-week project will begin with safety fencing, the removal of temporary structures, and groundwork to lay the foundation for modern amenities. A temporary footpath will be created near the former Starfish Resort to ensure beachgoers can still access the area safely. When completed, the new park promises family-friendly beach facilities, improved accessibility and parking, dedicated vendor spaces, and recreational zones for the community. Officials are thanking the public for their patience and cooperation and have assured that every effort will be made to minimize disruption during construction. Joachim Duplessis, HDS News Force.